Welcome to the presentation on components of CRM systems. Customer relationship management systems consist of various components designed to help businesses manage and nurture relationships with customers effectively. These components work together to collect, organize, analyze, and utilize customer data to improve interactions and drive business growth. Here are some of the key components of CRM systems. Contact management. Contact management is a fundamental component of CRM systems that involves storing and organizing customer contact information such as names, addresses, phone numbers, and email addresses. It serves as a centralized database for managing customer records and interactions. Lead management. Lead management involves tracking and managing potential customers or leads throughout the sales process, from initial contact to conversion. CRM systems enable businesses to capture leads, assign them to sales representatives, track their progress, and nurture them through targeted marketing and sales activities. Opportunity management. Opportunity management focuses on tracking sales opportunities or deals within the CRM system. It includes managing sales pipelines, forecasting revenue, and prioritizing opportunities based on factors such as deal size, probability of closure, and stage of the deal in the sales cycle. Account management. Account management involves managing relationships with existing customers or accounts. CRM systems provide tools for tracking account information, managing account activities, and identifying cross-selling and upselling opportunities to maximize customer value and retention. Interaction tracking. Interaction tracking allows businesses to record and track customer interactions across various touchpoints, including phone calls, emails, meetings, and social media interactions. This component provides a comprehensive view of customer communications history and helps in providing personalized and consistent experiences. Task and calendar management. Task and calendar management features enable users to schedule and manage tasks, appointments, and follow-up activities within the CRM system. This helps in staying organized, prioritizing tasks, and ensuring timely follow-up with customers and leads. Email integration. Email integration allows users to send, receive, and track emails directly within the CRM system. Integration with email platforms enables seamless communication and ensures that all email correspondence is logged and accessible within the CRM database. Workflow automation. Workflow automation streamlines repetitive tasks and processes by automating actions and triggers based on predefined rules and criteria. CRM systems offer workflow automation capabilities for tasks such as lead assignment, email notifications, and task reminders, improving efficiency and productivity. Reporting and analytics. Reporting and analytics tools provide insights into customer data, sales performance, and business metrics. CRM systems offer customizable reports, dashboards, and analytics features for tracking key performance indicators, identifying trends, and making data-driven decisions. Mobile access. Mobile access allows users to access CRM data and functionality from mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. Mobile CRM apps enable sales representatives and field service technicians to stay connected, update records, and manage customer interactions while on the go. Interaction with third-party systems. CRM systems often integrate with other business systems and applications such as marketing automation platforms, customer support software, and accounting systems. Integration enables seamless data exchange and workflow automation across different departments and functions. Security and permissions. Security and permissions features ensure that sensitive customer data is protected and accessible only to authorized users. CRM systems offer role-based access controls, data encryption, and audit trails to maintain data security and compliance with privacy regulations. These components work together to empower businesses to manage customer relationships effectively, improve sales and marketing processes, and deliver superior customer experiences. The customization and configuration of these components can be tailored to meet the specific needs and goals of each organization. Thank you for taking your precious time to see our presentation. Please provide feedback so we can improve our courses.